Hello everyone. Today in this video I will clearly define you how to make money, and I have some passive income ideas. They are completely new and you can start making money in 2026. So first of all I will clearly show you how to make money in dollars. Okay, so there are first idea is here is about AI powered content creation. Okay, AI powered content creation. I think you have to understand in nowadays you have to something innovate, automate and earn while you sleep. It is very important concept here of passive income ideas. In 2026 is the year to leverage cutting edge technology and sustainability trends. So, one of them, one is AI powered content creation. Now you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool, okay, and Midjourney for blogs. If you wanna create a blog, you can use ChatGPT or Midjourney AI powered tools, and social post AI earn. Okay, so here you can earn easily $20 to $100 per month hour. Okay, with minimal upfront investment. There are no any kind of investment. You can use easily AI power content. Okay, and you can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney. Okay, so it is our first new passive income idea. While you sleep, you can easily make money. Okay. Our next is sustainable e-commerce. Okay. Sustainable e-commerce, like you can launch your eco-friendly stores on Stay or Shopify. You can easily sell your clothes, books, ebooks, okay, videos, photos. You can easily sell out on social Shopify or Stay. These are very famous or big e-commerce platform here. You can easily get 25% of demand surge in green goods during 2024. Okay, and 2026. Okay, I think it is our second new passive income idea here. Third is crypto passive income. Third idea is crypto passive income. So you know what crypto is a currency. Okay, so you can easily use these kind of crypto and crypto coins to make money. So you staking EDF info, farming NFT tenders. Okay, you earn 5 to 20% monthly with AI powered platforms. Okay, you can use easily. Next idea here, it is fourth, digital products and courses. Digital products and courses. When you create a digital product or courses, you can easily sell out on Shopify, Stay, and these are so many platforms you can easily sell on. Okay, like ebooks, courses, printable on Gumroad, okay, Skillshare, okay. These are very low cost and scalable evergreen income potential. It is digital products or courses. I think if you have any kind of knowledge and a specific field knowledge, you can easily create a course and then you can sell out. Okay. Next, fifth new passive income idea is here. It is real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding. Okay, you invest from just $10, wise fundraise, okay, and earn dividends without landlords hassles. Okay, so here I think you understand. I have fifth passive income ideas, completely new passive income idea here in 2026. You can choose one or two, then you start. If you have not enough knowledge, these passive income ideas related. Okay, so you can easily use like AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, so here you start small and automate smart and scale fast using AI. Okay, so technology and sustainability are your key to passive income ideas success in 2026. I hope you guys understand. These are our most important passive income ideas in 2026. You can easily choose, you can easily explore, and I think if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I will give you reply definitely. So see you in my next video very soon.